English Learning Network.
Remind the structure. Have, has, plus past participle. We use the present perfect to talk about things we have done at some point in our lives, but we don't say when. Have you ever visited a zoo? Yes, I have visited a zoo. Life experience. Have you eaten lunch yet? Yes, I have eaten lunch. Recent action. Have you finished your homework? Yes, I have finished my homework. Completed action. Have you ever seen snow? No, I have never seen snow. Life experience. Have you cleaned your room? Yes, I have cleaned my room. Completed action. Has she called you? Yes, she has called me. Recent action. Have they arrived yet? Yes, they have arrived. Recent event. Have you done your project? Yes, I have done my project. Completed action. Have you ever ridden a horse? Yes, I have ridden a horse. Life experience. Have you visited your grandma this week? Yes, I have visited her this week. Recent action. Have you watched that movie? Yes, I have watched it. Completed action. Has your dad gone to work? Yes, he has gone to work. Recent action. Have they opened the shop yet? No, they haven't opened it yet. Not happened yet. Have you ever flown on a plane? Yes, I have flown on a plane. Life experience. Have you written your name on the paper? Yes, I have written my name. Completed action. Have you read this book? Yes, I have read it. Life experience. Has she cleaned the kitchen? Yes, she has cleaned it. Completed action. Have you ever visited another country? Yes, I have visited another country. Life experience. Have you finished your breakfast? Yes, I have finished it. Recent action. Have you seen my phone? No, I haven't seen it. Result now. Phone is lost. Have you ever played football? Yes, I have played football. Life experience. Have you opened the window? Yes, I have opened it. Completed action. Have you packed your bag? Yes, I have packed my bag. Completed action. Have you sent the email? Yes, I have sent it. Completed action. Have you ever met a famous person? No, I have never met one. Life experience. Have you done your shopping? Yes, I have done my shopping. Completed action. Have they finished the game? Yes, they have finished it. Completed action. Has he left the house? Yes, he has left the house. Recent action. Have you drawn a picture today? Yes, I have drawn a picture. Completed action. Have you spoken to the teacher? Yes, I have spoken to the teacher. Completed action.
Have you done your exercise?
Yes, I have done my exercise. Completed action. Have you fed the dog? Yes, I have fed the dog. Completed action. Have you ever climbed a mountain? No, I have never climbed a mountain. Life experience. Has it rained today? Yes, it has rained. Result now. Have they cleaned the car? Yes, they have cleaned it. Completed action. Have you ever cooked rice? Yes, I have cooked rice. Life experience. Has she written the letter? Yes, she has written it. Completed action. Have you found your keys? Yes, I have found my keys. Result now. Keys found. Have you ever been to the beach? Yes, I have been to the beach. Life experience. Have you done the dishes? Yes, I have done the dishes. Completed action. Have you ever seen a rainbow? Yes, I have seen a rainbow. Life experience. Have you washed your hands? Yes, I have washed my hands. Completed action. Have you played the guitar? Yes, I have played the guitar. Life experience. Have they finished dinner? Yes, they have finished dinner. Completed action. Has she painted the wall? Yes, she has painted it. Completed action. Have you closed the door? Yes, I have closed the door. Completed action. Have you charged your phone? Yes, I have charged my phone. Completed action. Have you ever sung on stage? No, I have never sung on stage. Life experience. Have you fed the cat yet? Yes, I have fed the cat. Recent action.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.